going sideways or backwards? I can't tell. Just aiming for those cones. Power, look. There we go. That felt pretty good. Did I kill them? I killed one. Oh man. Oh, did I just kill a cone there?
Yeah.
Oh.
I think we also tagged snowbank.
Sorry about that.
Through the gate, I like it. It's like one Durango.
One Durango width,
yeah,
exactly.
Yeah. Yep.
Just dip that nose in.
Yeah, if you can get that inside tire in that little groove, like you're good.
Yeah.
That was awesome.
Cool. That felt good. All right, we're gonna be hopping into a Durango Hellcat on a set of Scorpion all-season tires. We're at Team O'Neill Rally School. I'm gonna slide this around a circle skid pad, a slalom section, and maybe a little bit of a mini rally stage. So I'm here with Drew in the passenger seat.
It's gonna be a good time.
Should be good. Put your headphones on. We'll probably have some sweet supercharger sounds. What is the drive mode of choice here?
You're gonna want to track.
Track, okay. And then we'll do ESC full off. It's on now. Probably have to hold.
We'll do a little ding here in a second.
Yep.
There you go.
There it is. All right, everything off.
Fun
Sweet.
enabled.
I think they're moving on. All right.
Yeah, so we got open season out here. Gotta love that supercharger noise.
Oh, it sounds so good.
Makes everything better.
Let it eat. It's always a good feeling when you're going sideways, but just pointing the wheel straight.
Yeah.
45-degree angle. Take it out a little bit farther here. Are we going sideways or backwards? I can't tell.
When you're asking that question, you know you're having a lot of fun.
Yeah, there we go.
Sweet.
Yeah, this feels full off in the Durango.
Yeah.
There's nothing going on here.
It lets you get away with a lot.
Yeah.
Which is great.
I have heavily considered having one of these as just my only car and then entering it into like a time attack series.
Yeah.
It's too bad the local rallycross chapter won't allow tow vehicles to rallycross, because that would be a blast.
It would be pretty neat.
Yeah, it would fit. It'd be a tight fit through some of the gates, but that's okay. I think it'd be a blast.
That's okay, you know.
Yeah.
You can embrace the challenge. It's always a lot of fun.
That's right, yeah. All right. Well, that's fun. Let's do one more. We'll complete the lap. See if we can spray Ashton back there.
Yeah. Camera guy's gonna be covered in snow by the end, you know? I don't know. We'll do some slalom laps here.
Cool. All seasons feel pretty good in this.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Cool. So yeah, whenever you're ready,
Okay.
good to go. Keep in mind, it might
Sweet.
be a lot icier in that turnaround than it was
Yeah,
earlier. So
we'll just take
feel
it
that.
easy on this sighting lap here. Yeah, cool. All right, now with this, you just got like full commit. I think probably, right?
Yeah.
The Durango is a good time in the snow. This is actually really good.
It's
this is so much fun.
It's tons of fun.
Yeah. Oh, this Hellcat motor, it's just overflowing with joy. It's so fun.
Very unique experience in today's car market. Right?
Yeah, no, it really is.
You know, it's pretty cool.
They're so much fun. Every time we get into one of these. Last time we got out of a Cayenne Turbo GT, like the top trim Cayenne. It was like 200 grand. And then we got into this and we're like, man, this is so much more fun. Not as nice inside, but so much more fun.
It's just oozing with personality.
It really is.
You gotta love that.
Dodge does such a nice job with that stuff. Oh yeah, and then we have a shifter where we can.
I like that.
There it is.
It'll come around. If you're patient, she'll do it. Take steering out, and then it'll come around. There you go. Nice. Good.
Whatever happened to shifters down here? They like got rid of all of them, and you just have to use the paddles when you're crossed up, and that's no fun. And this is it.
This one's on the right way around too, where you push it forward to downshift
Exactly.
and bring it back.
Just like a rally car.
Wrong. Yeah, exactly. How do you not love that?
Ah.
All
right. This is a good time. All seasons are doing a lot better than I thought they might.
Yeah.
Oh. I'll just kind of
style it out. Sideways through the gate. I like it. It's like one Durango.
One Durango width,
yeah,
exactly. How wide is the gate? One Durango.
One Durango, yeah. It's a standard unit of measurement.
Yep. We're just going for it.
All right.
Oh, did I just kill a cone there?
Yeah.
Oh.
I think we also tagged snowbank.
Sorry about that.
Well, that's okay.
All right.
Should be pretty soft.
Good. Just a lap of destruction. We'll land on that slightly sketchy lap.
Right on.
Go. Let's try the course over here for a little bit, and then we'll come back. Let's get back. Should we check anything back there?
Probably should.
All
I
right.
think it was all just powdered sugar, but
yeah, it seemed pretty soft.
We'll double check just to make sure.
You never know.
Yeah, it's good.
All good? Cool.
Figured it would be.
All right.
But it's always good to make sure. All right. So yeah, we can kind of sneak through up to the road loop. So
okay, sounds good. Turn these off here.
So yeah, once you kind of get to the far end of the slalom, you'll just kind of go up not the steeper road, but kind of the more shallow one.
Okay.
And then we'll just have to be careful when we get to the intersection at the top. Just make sure no one's coming.
Sounds good.
But you should be around now. So I think you're good to go.
Cool.
Send it. Ooh, you can use that. You can use that all day long.
Sweet.
Yeah. Yep.
Just dip that nose in.
Yeah, if you can get that inside tire in that little groove, like you're good.
Yeah.
That was awesome.
Cool. That felt good. I like it.
And it's a lot of patience too. Like you kind of see, like you get it in there and you just let it rotate until you kind of can start to see the exit, and then you can start really attacking that gas.
Nice. All right. Good to go.
Good to go.
Don't see
You can
anyone.
send it.
Oh,
Yep.
there we go. That works too.
Lift, just let it coast. Gas now. Yeah, there you go.
Yeah, the all-wheel drive here feels great. It's just so neutral.
Like it? Nice. Cool.
Yep. All right.
Right on.
I might. Do we have time to go back to the skid pad and slalom?
We can do that.
What cars do you guys have here for the rally schools?
So you start out in naturally aspirated base model Fiestas.
Okay, cool.
Kind of base for left foot braking and weight transfer. then naturally aspirated, take a left. Naturally aspirated 2.5 liter Imprezas, and then we move into E46 325s for rear wheel drive.
Oh, sweet.
And then on the 5th day, you get to drive Fiesta ST and Subaru WRX.
Awesome.
And then for some of our military classes, we'll also do high speed, high center of gravity and Toyota Tacomas.
Okay.
Yeah. So we're running
That's
all kinds of
awesome,
stuff.
man.
Yeah.
Fun.
And then you can kind of go. Do you want to go to the slalom or the skid pad?
Maybe we'll see what's busy.
Yeah. So if you want to do the slalom, you'll kind of sneak around the snowbank. If you want to go in the skid pad, we'll just kind of wait until we can jump in.
Yeah. Cool. We'll do a little bit of skid pad here, and then
you can just kind of jump on in and do whatever you like.
more grip in the front, less grip in the rear.
Definitely good media capturing day with all kinds of snow flying around, you know.
For sure. Get the wipers going here, mid-slide, turn signal.
All the accessories. Moonwalk, we're like going backward and forward at the same time.
Yeah, and then we kind of just bounced off the grip on the outside there. Sweet.
All right.
The Charger does look good sliding around.
It does look good.
Yep.
It's got that good wide stance, good fender flares. It sound cool too.
Oh.
Nice.
Get after it.
All right.
For those cones. Power, look. There we go. That felt pretty good. Did I kill them? I killed them.
Oh,
man.
I thought you might have just squeaked by them, but
yeah, that was.
It's kind of where you want to be. This good grip, but
yeah,
because you're a little tight. So it starts to get icy. It becomes a game of inches looking for traction.
Yeah, exactly. No, it's so funny. Ice racing. You'll be searching for deeper snow. People will create new lines. Some parts of the course will be so polished. Some parts will be really grippy, and you just have to figure it out and remember everything.
It's one of the things we love about working here is every day is different. Like, even though we set up largely the same courses most weeks, it's like no 2 days are alike.
Yeah. No, that's cool.
It's different, even in the summer.
Still kind of aiming for those cones.
It's good to look at them.
There we go.
But once you start to get the slide, kind of start picking your eyes up more this way, and that will help you kind of get a bit of a smoother arc out of it.
Stay ahead of this slide here. Alright. Maybe we'll transition to the slalom here. So let's give those guys a couple turns.
Yeah.
Can I do the other direction?
I'd keep it the same direction. Just in case someone wants to jump in.
Sounds good.
If we're coming around like the snowbank kind of blind.
Keep some consistency. Sounds good. I see a drone out too, so that's always exciting.
No pressure, you know. But
yeah. Don't mess up. Kick lots of snow up here.
Yeah, there you go.
There it is. Roll down the window. On the inside here a little bit. You know? There it is.
Spread a little snow around.
A little wiper action.
Yeah.
All right. That's probably enough of that.
Yeah.
That was fun.
It was good fun.
That was good fun. All right, we'll spin around here.
Yep.
And let someone else take out this Durango Hellcat, even though there's another one sitting over there.
Yeah. Should be able to back it in right next to that
perfect.
That maroon one, I would think.
Sounds good.
And then we'll kind of see what they've got planned. Right now it seems quiet, so you might be able to jump in because I think the only thing you haven't driven is a scat pack, right?
Yeah, that's right.
Here. So that would probably be an option, but we'll see kind of what they have planned for you.
Cool.
So that kind of managing that.
All right, guys, well, hopefully you enjoyed that gratuitously sideways video in the Durango Hellcat. That was way more fun than it has any right being. Wow, that was a good time. It's making me want to start shopping for a 392 or something. They just brought it back. They've got a lot of V8s in the lineup now, and they still have the V6. Last year was the Durango's best-selling year in 20 years, which is crazy considering how long this has been out. A few updates in the interior, etc., but very cool that they're still offering the Hellcat, they're still offering the 392 and a bunch of other packages. So anyway, guys, that was a lot of fun. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. We'll see you guys in the next one.